Hello guys, my name is Nesta Ukai from Vouch Initiative International, and in today's video we'll be talking about CodePen. And so CodePen is actually code editor that is used to try out code new codes that you want to learn about, and maybe you don't have any idea about it but you just want to learn more and you want to implement what you've learned without using the software itself, but you want to try it out. So that's what CodePen does, and so let's delve into it.
Hey guys, Nesta here and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm introducing you guys to CodePen. Now CodePen is a code editor and it's actually online, so you have to go to Google and Google CodePen and click on their website, and this is what you will see at first sight. So this CodePen, and there are a lot of things I can do on it, like look at other people's projects and stuff like that. But you can also use it for code editing, and it's a very cool platform for you to try out, some examples that maybe you don't want to put inside your project itself, but you want to try it out somewhere and see whether it works before you bring it to your project folder or your project work. So let's get started. So I'm not going to do much, just something small, show you what it can do and all of that, and also some code, a little bit of code. So let's get started. So first of all, create a div, and I'll give that div a class. We'll name it container. Let's close it. So inside this div, we'll add another div. We'll also give that one a class. Class name top. And let's close it. And inside this div, we'll now add a level 1 header, and level 1 header is actually the biggest header in this. So h1, close it and type hey guys. Let's close it. So after doing this, we'll now go on and create another div. So we'll give it a class. Class name bottom. Just close that, and so inside this div, we'll now come and add a level 2 header, h2, close it, and we'll type I messed up. Let's close the header. So yeah, this is how CodePen looks like. So whatever you code, it will show up over here. So it automatically saves it as you code. But if you don't save it from this side, in case you have to leave the website, or maybe you want to close down the browser, you won't come and meet your work again. So it's important that after every code editing that you do over here, it shows up, you come and click here so that it will be saved and to give this confirmation. So next, we are going to add some CSS to style our HTML, or what we are putting over here. Hey guys, I am Nesta. So there is one main div, which is this one, and this div contains two other divs inside them. So this class called container over here will help us in the CSS editing. So let's start by editing the container. So in CSS, in order to recognize an element as a class, you would need to put a dot before the name of the class. And let's head back to the HTML. I actually made a typo over here. Instead of class with a double S, I made class with one S. So yeah. So as I said before, in CSS, before an element can be recognized in CSS, a class element can be recognized in CSS, you need to put a dot before the name of the class. So in our case, the name of the class is container, so curly bracket. And now we'll start by changing the display. We make the display flex. Now as you can see, the display flex will make our elements together in a way like this, but this actually needs some more editing. So after this, we will add another CSS property called flex direction. And we'll make that column. So as you can see over here, instead of the first one that we got, that I am Nesta was sitting right beside the hey guys over here. Now it's been put in a column form. So this will later on help us. So you see, as if you see our result over here, there's a little bit of space between the hey guys and Nesta, and in order to remove that, we have to add another CSS property called gap. And we do that 0. Although it didn't work, this is because we haven't given it a margin property, and by default a browser will give you a margin if you do not put it inside your code. So this here is a normal something. Once we add the margin, you see that there will be no space. We'll head on to the top container and dot top and now we'll give our top container a color of background. So now left the color that we need a hex color code that we need to put inside so that we can see the background color of the top container, which contains a level 1 heading called level 1 heading with the writing hey guys. So I will introduce you guys to another website called Color Hunt. So you look for another nice color, then put it inside our work. Nice one. Okay, so let's pick this one. come back to CodePen, and hex code always starts with a hashtag. So yeah, and paste it right. So as you can see, the background color for our top container has changed from the default white to looks like pink or something. I don't know what that's pink. So next, we'll align. We want to make our text appear somehow in the middle over here. So let's see, we use a CSS property called text align. Center. Next, we'll give our top container a margin of 0. Now this is very essential to making our top container and our bottom container merge together. And then next, we'll add the padding. Also give that one size of 0. I made a mistake right. So next, we'll now have to also change the color for our bottom container. Down here, bottom. Background. So it's not all the time that you have to use the CSS property background. You can also use background color, or if it's a text that you want to change the color, you can also do it in color, simply color, that's all. So let's come over to color add and pick another color. Let's see. Okay, let's do this one. Come back and paste it right here. Okay, then we'll also give it a text align of text alignment of page center, because we want to appear right at the center of our page. So next, just like we did for the top container, also give it a margin 0 or 0 pixels, so all the same. Zero or 0 pixels, it all works out the same way. So also give it a padding of 0. So basically, we are done with a simple website and code editing. So this is what basically CodePen does, just a way to try out your code or anything. If there's a mistake in your actual project, you just want to bring it up here and check other samples and see where the mistake also comes from. So CodePen is actually a really interesting way to learn how to code, and it's very good. But when you look at this, hey guys, it's not all that like nice. Or so we are going to add a font to our little project over here. So let's go to Google. Google font. Okay. So before this project actually, I actually made a list of selected fonts that I wanted to use for my project. So all you have to do is just copy this and embed it inside your HTML code. Let's do that right here. Control V. So we are playing our font, the font I want to use over here, because it's not every font that is on different machines or on different web browsers or something. It's not the default fonts that are available to other viewers. So in order to do that, you just have to use Google Fonts to change the font so that it matches every device that the user may be using. So let's come here and copy this one font family. Let's use Sacramento for our top div. Copy and let's place right beneath the background color. So the CSS property used to change the font type is simply font family. And since I copied that already, there's no need to type it again. Let's just simply paste it. And so as you can see down here, as you can see down here, our text has changed from the normal sans serif that we used to see to Sacramento. It's very cute. And let's use Montserrat for the bottom class or the bottom div. Let's copy this, paste it. Our top div rather. Voila. So this is simply CodePen and let's get save. Okay, save. So there's a simple work over here, how CodePen works, and a little bit of simple code and all that. So the gap earlier on, before we added a background color and text align center, you saw that there was a little bit of space between the top div and then the bottom div. So the gap over here reduces that size. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys try out CodePen. It's a really interesting way to learn how to code, and see you guys on upcoming episodes. Bye bye.